Oh man, sad day for my dude. Sad day for my dude. Where's your chick? Every day that dude is outside with his chick, knocking on the windows and stuff, and she's not there. She's ditched him. Probably left him for another one. He's probably a broke ass duck. I'm in the workshop again. Again. Oh no. And I'm wondering, I forgot what I need. Right. So, we got a new unit because obviously I can't keep keeping more than one car in this workshop because we're getting busier and busier and busier and it keeps getting blocked in. Oh, I've got some sex drink left. Oh, a full can. That shit makes you piss like a racehorse, for real. Anyway, first things I want to say is for everyone that commented on the video with me lad in Monroe, mega. I had so much fun doing that video, and I think he is going to make a few more returns because he actually listens. It's unbelievable how he listens all the time. Normal family life, never listens to anything. But as soon as you get a car in front of him or something where he gets to use tools or help you out, oh, he's a blessing. And he loves it. I get him doing DIY at home and stuff and he just loves it. That's a bit annoying, isn't it? Where's my bopper? One sec. Oh shit. Oh no, he's in there. And all the keys are locked up. Ah! So we got a unit down in Darwin where I stripped a black Civic and we were paying a fortune for it, and it's really small, just big enough for man and Sam's car. And ever since we got it, I said to the guy, look, we're only getting this because we need to obviously get that car from Scotland in. So I said to him that as soon as a bigger unit comes up, then me and Sam are interested and we'll take it off you. So we just literally paid the next month's rent and we were ready to get Sam's CRX down, and then the guy rang me and said, look, got a unit, might be a bit above your budget, do you want to come look at it? It's massive, get about 8 cars in. And when he did us our unit, he said you could get 3 cars in at least, but you can only get 2 cars. So I wasn't that hopeful. We'd seen the unit before because we've obviously been looking around for units around Blackburn and Darwin. So I'm trying to do like 100 things at once to get to this unit. So we've just nipped down this unit and it's me, Sam and Joe. Joe literally lives down the road from the unit and he has a turbo Civic, same as mine, bonnet exhaust a lot, so you'll be seeing a lot more of Joe. But we said to him one rule, Papa. And we said to him, the one rule of getting a unit with me and Sam is that he has to get a 90s Honda. So now he's on the lookout for a 90s Honda so we can get 3 Hondas built in our unit. Obviously mine's getting K-swapped, trying to convince Sam to K-swap his, and then obviously Joe's now having to K-swap one. So yeah, we're gonna have a nice few bit of builds going on. Danger grinder. Bit close to my face, I'm dodgy grinder. Ah, it's got a bit missing. So anyway, this new unit is mega, and you're gonna see in literally 30 seconds, this unit is mega. We got some chili and lime strongs. These are delicious. Delicious. If you've ever got some jalapeno ones, yeah, they're alright, you know, they're nice and spicy and they are quite tasty. See, the jalapeno ones, they are spicy and they are tasty, but these chili and limes are the way forward because it's so tasty, so Moorish. Get a little bit of a kick. Pow. We don't get it instantly. Have about 3 or 4. Start feeling a bit warm under the tongue. It's not there yet. Now the fire's cooking. Keys in hand. All the other bullshit in. Wrong key. 2 keys. One don't work, one does. Lego. This guy out here. Is that a boosted cartel? Oh, deadly one.
What,
One thing about Joe, he loves to support everything. So, man. Can do the good old video thing.
Yeah.
Big props to fucking Joe anyway, because without him, we wouldn't be able to get this unit, so. I love you, man. Joe's missus is gonna get jealous now. So this is our unit. So from here, this gate, all the way down, that's ours. And then in here. And it's fucking massive. And then this is the best part of it. So we didn't even know that this bit come with the unit. But it's like a little room, so we're going to try and use this as a spray booth to get the EG done and knock that wall down, because there is about 1.5 foot that way, so it's mega. And then move this, obviously move this forward. He was like jizzing over this arch as well, weren't he, the guy?
Yeah.
1840 this mill was built, and look at the arch. So glad. So this unit is fucking tiny anyway compared to it. It pisses me off every time we go in. Look, you'll be able to see. Compared to that other unit, this is tiny. So I'm just gonna sweep up. I'm gonna get all this shit in the van. All that, all this, all that. And then go back to the new unit, throw everything in. That's it. Buy unit. Fuck, this was effort. Proper effort. This is the behind the scenes that people don't actually see, that you fucking put this effort in. Just swept up half a car. See you later, unit. Let's go back to the big dog of units and never come back here ever. Home, home, home. This is the real grind. Look at that time. Started at 8 o'clock. Got here, took some lights down, went to other unit, forgot me dustpan and dust brush and all that shit and jazz. I'm so happy, like, I was so pissed off with that other fucking unit, and because it was so small, we're paying so much for so little. It was a pain in the ass, could never park, could never spin the van around or anything. I had to always take my tools, where this, like with this now, I can proper work. Sam's gonna get a ramp, so I might end up having to get a ramp, because it can't be the only person in the fucking world that gets a ramp. It is the craziest thing ever, because we just thought it was like a door to like a tiny little toilet or some shit. But it's a full another unit inside there that is just mega. So we're gonna rip all this down here. We're gonna move it all forward. So we're gonna move it to here. Put a fresh door on it, probably either a sliding door or just a door we can get in. We're gonna come down, we're gonna rip all this down, and then probably just plasterboard it all. There's some bits that we need to do. The lighting is mint already, but I'm gonna get loads of LED lighting. Obviously my car will probably be around here. Sam's ramp will probably be middle, but it all depends on where it be. The ramp might be better here, like, and then all the tools and all the shit around here. And yeah, we just got to figure it out when we get the cars in, so we can see how much room we actually have. But it is long enough this way to have like easily 1, 2, 3, 4 cars in and still have loads of room to work, or just 3 cars lengthways and have loads of room to work. And then obviously my car's going to be on dollies and I can push it in there. Long ass day. Long ass day. 12:30, but I'm out of the unit in Darwin that literally all I did was strip a Civic in, and we're in the unit in Blackburn that is literally 5 minutes down the road from work that is literally 10 minutes down the road from my house. So yeah, that is a long day. Sam bailed on me, decided to go to Manchester. Sam paid for a month of a unit that he never used, so I can't say much. I can't say anything bad about that. So he helped me pay for a month and didn't even use it. He just come and give me a quick hand doing stuff. So